What's the meaning of appalling? Appalling. Appalling.
Appalling. Appalling. Appalling means something that is very bad or unacceptable. It describes a situation or event that is shocking, horrifying, or causing disgust. When something is appalling, it is so bad that it leaves us feeling helpless and overwhelmed. It can be used to describe a wide range of situations, such as accidents, crimes, disasters, or acts of cruelty. Overall, the word appalling conveys a strong sense of negativity and seriousness, and is often associated with feelings of sadness, anger, or disappointment.